Are you stuck in an endless circle going around and around like a traffic circle? I was in this state where I was bound and determined to get back to some strength, some way that I could carry on life in the way I thought it should be, in the way I think it's reasonable. Well, I was missing some off-ramps. But one day, the Lord showed me very gently how kindness can really make a difference. Kindness to myself, kindness to others. You know, we think of exit ramps as something that solves something, but it might be a path into a new way of doing life. It might be a road that you hadn't thought about before. So think about kindness. What would that look like in your battle with pain right now? Because we all have that shock, that disappointment, that I've got to figure things out. But what would it happen if you turned onto the road called kindness? Thank you. Let me know in the comments.